Hello traders, I'm back here with my New York session analysis. We had an amazing this morning, as you have seen in the morning analysis review. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. If you haven't seen it, the video link is given in the video description. So at the New York session, we had amazing volatility again, bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you how I analyze at the New York session and help my trader to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did at the New York session. Let's dig into the system. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. So if you look at the EURUSD, and if you look at the 4 hour, as you have seen in my morning analysis review, we have taken the short trade, bank amazing profit. As you can see here, price nicely hit profit target, and we started taking a counter long trade here, and we really enjoyed this whole rally. Now I'm going to show you how I analyze at this level, and at this level, and how we take all these pullbacks through intraday analysis. If you look at my intraday analysis, and you can see, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this was the analysis. You can see here, short trade here, and afterwards, once the price hit to the major support level in 4 hour at this level, and then I did the analysis here and explained to my trader if the price gonna break, because if you look at here, price broken but did not respect, and false breakout, that's the good sign, but we need a confirmation. That's what I did analysis. Look for this breakout. If the price gonna break this one or break this one, then short, otherwise long here, because we have major support level at the 4 hour. As you can see here, price broken, and after the breakout, price retest, and I say, guys, take a long trade here. The first target was the 200 EMA in our intraday at this level. You can see here, price nicely hit, bank few PPs, and after that I said to guys, look for another pullback, and that's I updated that analysis, pushing my trader to not to miss any opportunities. As you can see here, momentum is bullish, so candle was developed, beautiful sign, and I said to my trader, look for another breakout. As you can see, a symmetric triangle pattern. Technically, if you look at him, the price broken and another pullback. So I said safest trade, look for the safest trade, because the price was around 200 EMA. So broken, first target hit, bank amazing profit, and I said to look for another pullback. And that's I keep updating my analysis. As you can see here, that was the analysis, bank some profit, and afterwards said any pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. So we have another pullback announced, we have another pullback. As soon as the price hit to this level at the 100 EMA in 4 hour, and price broken the previous low and hit this resistance level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, guys. So we had amazing trade, both long and short. As you can see here, how I analyze in 4 hour and how I analyze entries and exit in intraday. That's what exactly we do every single day. Okay, so pound dollar cable, we had this morning, as you have seen, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here, and price respected this previous low, and also you can see here this red line, that was the daily support line. Price nicely respected, and we try to find out counter opportunity in intraday. That's what exactly we did. We really enjoy all this rally, and as soon as the price hit this resistance level and explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. So if you look at right now, the price develop another pattern here. Let's see tomorrow, but let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and squeeze amazing profit on pound dollar. Okay, so if you look at here, this is the analysis. As you can see, this morning analysis, we have taken a short trade here. Okay, so once the price was at the 4 hour major support level, as you can see here, and then we look at in intraday what sort of pattern is developing it, and I explain my trader, look here, price hit, develop, low high, and let's see if the price gonna break this trend resistance, and after the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation. If momentum develop bullish, we're gonna enjoy this rally, guys. As you can see here, exactly price broken, and after the breakout, price retest, momentum was bullish. I say, guys, now enjoy this rally. Any pullback, We announce through live audio commentary. System also generate alert for all these pullback. We have taken this one, and this one as soon as the price was about to develop double top here, because the price was at this level. And I said to my guys, just bank some profit and let's see if you can get another pattern develop, which exactly as you can see here, price develop another pattern. I say, guys, as long as the momentum is bullish, our bias is still bullish. As you can see here, momentum was bullish, price broken, and after the breakout, price retest, another bank few pp's. After banking some pp's, I also said to guys, look for another pullback. I updated this analysis, pushing my trader not to miss any opportunity, because the trader was thinking there's a possibility of reversal at this level. That's what I did, another analysis just to give them confirmation. We're only looking against the momentum trend if the price break and retest. Otherwise, this way, look for this way. As soon as the price, you can see here, came back and retest, give us the confirmation, momentum was bullish. That was a bingo, amazing trade. As soon as the price hit this level, I say, guys, bank some profit. We have enjoy some profit, and afterwards look for another pullback. Let's see. And the price reversed, and trader was expecting possibility of reversal, but that's what I keep updating analysis. I say, guys, we're only going to look for this breakout. Technically, if you look at here, price broken the previous high, so you're expecting it long here. So I said to guys, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break this wedge, and as soon as the price broken, I say, guys, take another long trade here. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, I say, guys, if the price gonna stay above, you can hold it, otherwise bank some profit. So we have beautiful long trade here on pound dollar. As you have seen this morning analysis, guys, we had a taken short New York session here, long short, guys, as you can see here. But all of these trade has been taken through the valid analysis through 4-hour and intraday. Okay, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. We really enjoyed dollar CAD too. As you can see here, this morning we've been long here, as we have taken beautiful. If you look at this candlestick pattern, we can see here we had it. This one is a morning star pattern. We had this long trade here, and today news, we had a speech and CAD news was there, and explain my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then I'm expecting a long trade here. If the price gonna break, then long here. Otherwise, sort of like we already have a sign of, you can see head and shoulder pattern is developed, but that's only going to confirm when the price gonna break. Otherwise, we had this beautiful long trade this morning, as you have seen it at the New York session. Once the price developed, as you can see, a bearish engulfing candle, that was the beautiful short trade. I said, guys, keep taking a pullback. So let's see here. So looks like the price still within this structure, and in upcoming days, let's see when the price is going to break. But we really enjoyed it. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a beautiful trade here. You can see here, guys, this morning at this level we had a long trade here, as you have seen it. That was a beautiful long trade here. You can see here from here, and as you can see at the New York session, we had price develop this sideways market, and I said to look for this breakout. As soon as the price develop bullish momentum, we have this breakout. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, I say, guys, consider tightening stop loss and look for another pullback scaling trade. So you can see here, after that, price develop another beautiful, as mentioned here, guys, look for another big rally and keep taking a pullback. We're only going to take a long if the price gonna break, and that's what I explained in intraday. We are expecting a break and retest. So what happened here, you can see here, price nicely developed pullback. We announced keep taking a pullback, keep taking a pullback, all these pullback. As long as momentum is bearish, we announce all these pullback. So you can see here, just to make sure trader don't miss this opportunity and maximize the trades. As you can see, once the price hit this level again in 4 hour, as you can see here, that's what I explained my trader. Now it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze market in intraday. As you can see in the system, I analyze live twice a day, every single day. As you can see here, this is the analysis in London morning session. As you can see here, this is the London morning session analysis. I analyze, I go in more detail about 4 hour analysis. As you can see here, all the possibilities. And also at the New York session analysis at 2 p.m. just before the opening bell, I do analysis with my my traders, explain each and every single detail and possibilities, and then I'll broadcast all this intraday analysis in real time, and then I watch those analyses alongside with my traders, and if any opportunity raise, I broadcast through live audio commentary. So that's what exactly I do every single day. So I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses and banking profit in real time through live intraday analysis, through live audio commentary support. And if you are struggling in this forex trading, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support, because that's the way when you're experiencing it, that's what exactly you're going to develop it. So once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency results, because this is the platform where you can see live analysis and you can practice at the same time, and you get the feedback all of your trade at the same time. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.